In this video, we will review how to use the Plans tab. DegreeWorks allows students and advisors to create academic plans organized by semester. Users can drag and drop courses directly from the audit into each semester or insert placeholder courses. To access plans, click on the Plans tab in DegreeWorks. To create a new plan, choose Blank Plan or Template. To save time, choose a template, as this will load the next 8 semesters onto your plan. Select the appropriate template based on whether you are starting in a fall semester or a spring semester. Once you have selected the template, click Open and choose your start term. The next step is to name your plan in the description box. Locking a plan disables the ability to edit it later. Most likely, you will never want to check this box. Once you have named the plan, check the box to make the plan active. After you have made the plan active, click Save in the bottom right corner of the page. Once you have saved the plan, you can start adding courses to the plan. There are several different views and ways to edit your plans. The most common views are the Audit and the Edit view. Your plan will default to Edit view, unless you've already created the plan, in which case it may default to Audit view. If you chose a template, you will see at least 8 semesters preloaded onto your plan. If you chose a blank plan, click on the plus sign in the right corner of the tab in order to load semesters onto your plan. Although the plan defaults to Edit view, let's review the Audit view first. In the Audit view, the academic audit displays on the left side of the page, and the semesters that are loaded onto your plan display on the right. You can drag and drop courses directly from the audit to the plan. After you drag a course from the audit to the semester on the right, you can move the course to a different semester as you wish. You cannot remove a course from the plan in this tab. It is important to know that Stockton has many unique curriculum options that allow students to choose what courses they wish to take. In other words, the requirements are non-specific. This happens frequently in the cognates, elective, or general studies areas. Click on the Edit tab to learn how to work these kinds of courses into your plan. Be sure to save your work on the Audit tab before clicking on the Edit tab. Although the drag and drop on the Audit tab is convenient, the Edit tab provides much more functionality in creating and editing plans. The Edit view may seem challenging because you cannot view the audit as you do in the Audit view. One way to view the courses still needed is to use the Still Needed tab on the right-hand side of the Edit view. When you click the drop-down here, only the Still Needed courses will appear. If there is a specific course, you can drag and drop the course from the Still Needed tab to the plan. If the course is non-specific or a range, you can choose the choice or placeholder options to add a requirement to your plan. On each semester tab, use the plus sign to explore a variety of options that can be added to your plan. To add a specific course, choose the course option. Click on the magnifying glass and start your course search by typing either the course acronym or title. In a moment, courses will begin to appear that match your search. Click on the course that you desire and it will be added to your plan. If you wish, you can input a minimum grade that you will need to earn in this course. You can also add a choice of courses to your plan. When you click on the plus sign, select the choice option. Click on the choice requirement to produce the search for classes. Click on the magnifying glass and type the acronym or title as shown before. After you've chosen a course, click the plus sign to add additional options to your choice of courses. In many areas throughout your curriculum, particularly in elective and general studies areas, you may not be able to drag and drop courses from the audit to the plan on the audit view because there is not a specific course listed on the audit, but rather a range of courses or a non-specific requirement. In these cases, you may add a placeholder to hold the place of such a course on your plan. To add a placeholder, click on the plus sign and choose Placeholder. Click on the Select drop-down menu to browse the placeholder options and choose the most fitting option for your plan. If none of the placeholders suit you, you can also choose Comment and type out your note or placeholder as you wish. In either case, after you have chosen your placeholder, you must type something in the value box. These comments typed in the value box will appear when you hover over the placeholder on your plan. To remove any requirement, select the requirement by clicking on the open space, not the checkbox, on the requirement. Click the minus sign to remove the requirement from the plan. Once you save your changes in the Edit view, you may return to the Audit view, as this view is easier to read and more visually pleasing to most users. You may also wish to view the Calendar view in order to view a concise breakdown of only the semester plan blocks. At any time during the planning process, you may click the Audit button at the bottom of the page. This will produce an audit based on planned courses. Unfortunately, placeholder or choice courses will not satisfy requirements on the audit because you have not chosen a specific course for the audit to process. However, you may scroll to the bottom of the audit to view planned courses and placeholder courses. If you wish to start a new plan at any time, you may choose the New Plan button at the top right corner of the page. You may also choose Save As in the bottom of the Edit view if you wish to start a new plan or a new variation of your current plan without starting from scratch. For a list of all plans for you or your student, click on the Plans tab and view the list. To delete a plan, click on the plan and choose Delete in the top right corner of the page.